An update now in the case of Julian Goodrum, the man accused of killing Betty and James Ramsey last year. He appeared in Loudon County Court today for a motion hearing, a follow-up to his preliminary hearing that happened back in April. 6 on Your Side reporter Ella Wales tells us what the judge decided before he bound the case over to the grand jury.
A Loudon County judge bumped Julian Goodrum's first-degree murder charges down to second degree after determining there was no evidence of premeditation presented in his preliminary hearing.
The charge that I'm going to bind over to the grand jury is going to be second degree.
The decision is a win for the defense, but they had another goal going into the hearing. Defense attorney Greg Isaacs filed a motion to suppress body camera footage. It's from the day before Betty and James Ramsey's bodies were discovered. Police were called in Maryville when Goodrum was reportedly trying to stop traffic and appeared to have blood on his pants.
He said, I wanted an attorney, and he also invoked the Fifth Amendment. I'm also invoking my Fifth Amendment rights. He did this over 40 times.
Isaacs argued that Goodrum's rights were violated and his statements to police were not voluntary. He also cited Goodrum's mental health. The Army veteran's battle with PTSD was widely covered by media in the 2000s, including by 6 News in 2005.
One of the elements of requirements of Miranda and his Fifth and Sixth Amendment rights is whether it was not voluntary. Clearly, that video depicts somebody having a psychotic break.
The state argued that Goodrum's statements to police were voluntary because when police first encountered Goodrum in Maryville, they were not yet aware of the murders.
I think what we're really dealing with is a situation where Mr. Goodrum may have said, I want a lawyer 48 times. It just doesn't matter. He could have said that 148 times. It wouldn't have mattered until there was some idea of what he might have done that would justify charge.
Ultimately, the judge did not grant the motion to suppress the video. Next, a grand jury will look at the evidence and decide whether to indict Goodrum. Reporting in Loudon County, Ella Wales, 6 on Your Side.
The judge also lowered Goodrum's bond from $1 million to $100,000. If he makes bond, he will be required to wear an ankle monitor.